I was specifically looking for a kit set, and I'd looked at multiple other suppliers. Nothing really stood out. What I had pictured in my head, they didn't really offer. And Kitset popped up one day and saw this plan. Perfect. Very easy. We had to go through quite a process with council. You know, council can be pedantic about, you know, what's exactly on the plan and the specification for lights and things like that. Once we'd worked through that, everything else went smoothly.
Nice.
And as soon as we put the order in for the trusses, everything turned up quickly. Probably a little bit too quickly sometimes, but yes, I've actually recommended a couple of times to a couple of other people looking.
Amazing.
They were looking at building on a section in town, and I said to them, just give Kitset a look.